Welcome back. This time we're having a go at thoracic breath, working with the rib cage. Remember belly breath, as the belly moves in and out, everything else is still. With thoracic breath, it's the rib cage that moves as you breathe into the middle part of your lungs. So sit up nice and straight. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. We're going to take a few belly breaths to start. Relaxing your belly, breathe in, and drawing it back, breathe out. In and out. In and out. Now we're going to move our hands up to the rib cage, targeting that area. You're going to use your intercostal muscles to open the rib cage as you breathe in and close it as you breathe out. Keep going. Taking time with the breath, letting your lungs fill as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, the rib cage closes. In, rib cage opens, out, it closes again. And continue. Feel that air as it draws in. Feel your lungs inflating. Nothing else moves, just the rib cage. Take a few more of these. Find your rhythm. Explore the breath. Experience the breath. Breathe in. Rib cage opens up. Lungs inflate. Breathing out. Rib cage closes. In and out. Well done. See you soon.